Okay, over at this table. Good, Chelsea. Good. Is that your right hand? Then where should it be? Shh, ladies. Okay, so remember, it should be in your palm. Then you close your hand. Good job. Okay, that's good. Hold it down. Hold it down. Is that your right hand, Taylor? Okay, remember we don't want the handle sticking out anywhere, Kimani. Just like this, okay? Is that your right hand? Okay, you put it in your right hand. Okay, that's beautiful. All right, let's go around. I need you all, both of you, to relax, okay?
Okay,
Let's go over here.
I got mine already.
Okay, let's see. Is that your right hand?
Mine is right.
I need you to put your hand down. The knife should be in your right hand. So place the knife in your right hand. Okay? Good. Hold it like that. That's good. Is that your right hand, too?
Marley!
So put it in your right hand. The knife is always in the right hand. Put it in your right hand.
What do you make with?
Pull it out just a little bit.
Yeah.
Good. Good. And Kaden, you got it, dude. But I need the knife up just a little bit. You got it. Now I need you to rise. Get off of the table. We don't rest our body on the table, okay? I need to see you hold that knife, Amara. Okay, so you see all of this handle here? Good job. Okay.